Chris here with High Seas Cruising and welcome to today's video. Alright, looks like Carnival Cruise Lines are doing some cutbacks, making some changes, looking for some ways to save a little bit of money, and some of the ways they're doing this are through their dining options. So they've made several changes. Now all these changes went into effect on August the 1st, so if you're currently cruising on Carnival, you may already notice some of these changes. And I don't know that everybody's going to like all of them. Some of them may not affect you. Some of them you may just be like, what? I don't really understand what Carnival's doing. But like I said, Carnival says this is for cost savings, doing a few cutbacks. So let's jump right in here with the changes. First one on the chopping block is going to be 24-hour pizza. And they've announced they will no longer be offering 24-hour pizza, period. Instead, the pizza is going to be open from 9 a.m. until 4 a.m. So it is going to be closed for a few hours each morning. And Carnival said that the pizza place is not normally busy. This is their lowest volume time, so it makes sense to close it at this time. No more late night stacks in the Lido restaurant. So, you could go in there, get the late night snacks. And usually it was just, small things, little sandwiches, things like that. But they said no more to that. They're doing away with that. Sea Day brunch will be 1 hour shorter. So instead of ending at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Sea Day brunch is going to end at noon. So ships that have the Ocean View Plaza, that was like the Dream, the Breeze, the Vista, the Horizon, ships like that had an Ocean View Plaza. It normally could go down there at breakfast time and lunchtime, and they had food put out, snacks put out. They said they're no longer going to be doing that. No more room service door hangers for breakfast. So they had those little hangers in your room on Carnival cruise ships in the cabins where you could pre-order your breakfast, hang it on the door. They would pick them up and then bring your breakfast to you in the morning. Well, they are doing away with the door hangers. Now they say you still can get up in the morning and call room service and have room service sent to your room, but the door hangers and the ability to do it the night before, that part has all gone away. Complimentary cakes for birthdays, anniversaries, the ones they used to bring to you in the main dining room to help celebrate your special occasion. Well, they're not going to do those anymore either. And instead, when you order a dessert off of the menu, they're going to stick a candle in it for you to celebrate that particular special occasion. So if you like getting the cakes in the main dining room, well, unfortunately, Carnival is no longer going to offer those. But there are a couple they say should, or there is at least a big possibility that they will return, such as the chocolate extravaganza buffet. If you go in the buffet, they have all the chocolate cakes, chocolate puddings, the chocolate fountain, you could dip all the fruit in. They say that one may return, and the afternoon tea time may still return, but neither one of those are currently going on. Now, Carnival has made another change, but this one has nothing to do with cost. The hairy chest contest that they normally do up by the pool on the Lido deck, well, they have decided they are no longer going to have that as well. And the reason for that is they say they want to promote a more family-friendly environment, and that particular contest can get a little out of hand. The dancing and stuff can get inappropriate. They want a more family atmosphere up on the Lido deck, and the hairy chest contest just isn't a part of that. Now, I know some people like it. I've never participated in it because, well, I'm not hairy, but plenty of people have, and I can understand wanting to go to a more family-friendly environment. But at the same time that they are canceling the hairy chest contest, which apparently a lot of people thought was very, very popular and wanted to keep it. But at the same time, you can look over at the pool and see someone in the water with a beer can in each hand, pouring it straight in. And so I have to ask, which is more family friendly? The hairy chest contest or the beer cans in the swimming pool? I don't know. You guys are going to have to let me know. What do y'all think of these changes from Carnival Cruise Lines? Are they good changes? Are you upset by any of these changes? Or honestly, do they not affect you and you could care less? Let me know in the comments below. Just curious to know what everybody thinks of Carnival's cost savings changes that they're making across the fleet. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps this channel grow. and let you know anytime a new cruise news video comes out. Hope everyone out there has a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.